Hello everybody! In this video, you will learn how to remove vocal from any song. Complete vocal removal is an age-old problem due to its technical complexity. While there is still no ideal way to remove vocals from a song, LALAL.AI provides the best solution available today. The first thing you need to do is to open LALAL.AI in your browser. Then, click Select File button. You can choose an audio file of any format, length, and size. In the Open Folder window, double-click a song to upload it. Wait a few seconds until the processing is finished. Click the play icon in the corresponding sections to either play the vocal part of the song or instrumental part. That is all. In order to download vocal part or instrumental part of the track, just click the corresponding download button. In case you would like to increase or decrease the intensity of audio processing, repeat the following steps. First, click Restart button. Select the intensity level at the top of the file upload section. All audio is processed on the normal level by default. On the mild level, the minimum amount of sound filtration is applied. As a result, the errors of the original audio are audible. On the aggressive level, the maximum amount of filtration is applied. The algorithms try to detect and remove all possible errors. As a result, the separated tracks may contain a larger amount of audible artifacts. Thank you for watching this video guide. Good luck!